Okay, as I said, I only have 15 minutes for each video, so I ran out of time on that one. But once you're done going over this lesson, you can click over here to get to the assignment. So it's not a big assignment, it's just something that's going to give you a little bit of practice before you do the summative assignment for the unit, okay? So, before you complete the summative task for this unit, let's make sure you understand literary and poetic devices. So they're kind of the same thing. These words you'll find are used interchangeably, so that's why I've used them both here, just in case you do want to go and seek out your own literary or poetic device and you're confused about whether or not you're doing the right thing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select a song that you love. And I'm going to need you to provide the lyrics to that song just so I can also see it and verify. So pick a song that's school friendly. You're going to review the song and you're going to look for literary and poetic devices. And you're going to look for, you can go over the ones in the glossary from the content section of this lesson as like a refresher. So if you just go back and open up that glossary, this one right here that has all of those examples. So you can just pick from this list if you'd like, but you're going to be looking for a song that has 3. So that's going to be a bit of the challenge. The challenge is going to be, you might find a song that you love and then you're going through and you're like, okay, there's a simile. Oh, wait, great, there's a personification, and then you're having a hard time finding something else. Now, what I will say is that usually in songs, you can usually find some sort of hyperbole. There's at least a mood being set or an atmosphere being set. So these ones are kind of given. So if you find personification and simile, but you're having a hard time finding a third one, don't give up right away, because you might just need to give it a little bit of time. And also a lot of songs have some sort of a rhyming scheme as well that you can kind of fall back on, okay? So you're going to review the song and look for poetic devices, and I want you to find 3 of them, and I want you to identify them and explain how it's being used. So it's not enough to say simile, metaphor, personification. You need to show me in the song where it's being used so you can underline it, or you can attach the song, and then in your document you can give me, just rewrite the lyrics or whatever part it is that you're saying is a simile. You're going to tell me that you think it's a simile, and you're going to say it's a simile because the author is comparing this with this using the word like or as. So it's really important that you do that explanation part so I can see that you understand it, okay? So when you're done that and you've found your song and you've got your 3 poetic devices and explain them, then you can submit both of those Google Docs or whatever form you write in, you can submit those both to the Dropbox, okay? And that's all you have to do for this assignment. Good luck! Let me know if you need help.